You're cat man.
I know, trying to fix a screen with a cat who's trying to escape. Lacey, no, Lacey. I can't fix it with you. Oh, Lacey, I love you. I can't fix the screen with you doing this. I don't think you're exactly helping.
I'm trying.
Lacey. Lacey. Ow! 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 Lacey, stop it. Lacey, Lacey. Lacey, Lacey, come. Ow. Relax. Simmer down. Simmer down. Ah! Lacey, I love you. You have to stay inside.
I'm escaping.
You cannot escape. Ah, we have you surrounded. Ah! Lacey, quit biting the curtain. Lacey, 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 stop. I love you. Stop it. No! I just fall off there so that I can fix this. Oh my god, at least she's not making it worse. Ow! Really? Sweetheart, you're not a vampire. Cut it out. Arr, arr, matey. Ah. Lacey, stop! Ow, ow, ow. Sweetheart. Uh-oh, are you falling? Go away, go away, go away. Do I have to push you off by pushing you from the... Oh, there's your mommy. Well, your foster mom. Bird, get your daughter off the frickin' screen. I almost said monitor. Get her off the monitor. Bird. Ow! Ow, Lacey. Be gone, Satan. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do. Oh, stop it. Oh my god. Honey, you cannot come out. She fell over. Honey, I know. Ow. Oh, baby, I know. You can't come out, though. We don't ever want you to go out. There's too many bad people out there.